Alright, so right now what we're going to do is press this wig out, alright? We're going to get this root super duper flat, as flat as we can get it, because this is not the truth, alright? So, let me just comb it. And before I do anything, I'm just going to do a one pass on it, just to get it down. And I'm going like super slow. Okay, so just keep going slow. That's what I'm doing. And I wouldn't recommend to do this on your natural hair. This is just a wig, so this isn't your hair, because I'm not doing this on my hair. I'm scared to even put the damn pressing comb on my hair, to be honest. But because it's a lot of heat. It's a lot of heat. Alright, so hopefully you can see when you zoom in a little bit more. Alright, so I started off on this side a little earlier, so let me just do this again. Now I'm going to part it and go in between just to make sure I get everything. I just wanted to do one quick pass. Just to get everything situated. So I have an idea of what the heck the wig actually looks like. Because it was looking crazy. As you know. Anytime you get like a brand new wig, especially from like the beauty supply store, it looks crazy. Crazy. Okay. Now I'm not gonna put any what you call it? Edge we have, oh my god. Yeah, flyaway stick. Okay, wax stick on it. Yeah. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm just like I said, I'm gonna go in between and do this. So oh my gosh, so much has been going on, especially in the TV world. Now, I haven't been online, but I have been all over television, okay? Like, I'm in love with Tyler Perry's show, the Oval. In love with Sisters, okay? In love. Sisters is the truth. I can't believe she shot the guy. Okay, like, I cannot believe she shot him. But I guess she's like, you're not gonna take my husband. I hear that, sister. I hear that. But you ain't gotta shoot the man. Like, damn, that's a little extreme. If he don't want you, he don't want you. Keep it moving. Alright, so I'm gonna keep doing this and do it to the same side, the other side. Keep doing this, and then I'm going to do it to the other side. Now I'm actually add this wax stick. I don't want it to be too greasy. And I'm going to use my Bio Silk when I blow dry it out. Okay. Much better. Much better. So, it's pretty much the same thing, you know, day after day after day. Now, I love what I do, but I need to have, like, more inspiration. So So I need some ideas on like what other styles to do. Like what other wig styles that I can do. I so want to try finger waves. I don't know how to do finger waves. I would love to learn how to do finger waves. And I might actually try. Might actually try. So, alright. Almost finished with this side. So I'm just going to just straighten the wig. Definitely want to straighten the wig. Alright, so as you can see, this is one side. And when you put the, it's nice and soft. Alright, see the difference? Now we're going to do this side.